All right, you're looking live at our Dakota Magic Casino cam. Big, huge flakes falling along I-29 at the South Dakota border. Visibility is reduced as well, and as mentioned, conditions expected to deteriorate. Now, here's some breaking news just issued by the North Dakota Department of Transportation. There is now a no travel advisory issued for much of our area, including southeast portions of North Dakota. Oh, there it is. Well, basically, much of our viewing area in southeast North Dakota under a no travel advisory now for heavy snow, very dangerous conditions, reduced visibilities. I want to explain this graphic just a little bit. The red counties you see are winter storm warning northern portions of Minnesota, the Northern Valley, and sneaks through Valley City and the Cheyenne River Valley down towards Ellendale and Lemoore. That's a winter storm. Heavy snow is expected in this area. A sharp cutoff in that snow potential has a winter weather advisory for the surrounding communities, and the Devil's Lake Basin not included in any of this. Very little snow. By morning, the winds increase, and increased snow overnight as well will allow for some blizzard-like conditions. Here's where things are snowing the heaviest as we speak. Notice some enhancement of the snow moving through Grand Forks County right now. Where you see the deeper blues, those are huge flakes like we just saw on the camera. Those will be drifting right through Grand Forks, heading into Marshall County, Minnesota here shortly. And near Fargo, we continue to see development of bands passing through. But over the last 3 hours from northern Cass County through the Hillsborough and Hallstatt areas and through Norman County and Polk County, the heavy snow bands have been continuing, producing snowfall rates at times of over an inch per hour in this area. And that's been happening for several hours. Here in Fargo, right around 4 inches and counting, and more is on the way from this batch of moisture off to the south and to the west. Now, down in southern Minnesota, as this energy is lifting forward, there's actually some lightning on the display here. Good old-fashioned thunder snow to get everybody excited out there. Here's the timeline tonight. 3 to 6 inches by the late evening hours with deteriorating road conditions, as we mentioned. Then as we start our Thursday, and between now and Thursday morning, another 3 to 6 inches possible. Many by mid-morning to early afternoon, 6 to 12 inches of snow, followed up by some just ridiculous cold. Right now, temperatures below zero north and west, above zero south and east, including 4 below in Grand Forks, 0 in Gwinner. Wind chills are most biting out to the west. From the Red River and west, we have 20s and 30s below. It's not quite as bad yet in portions of Minnesota. The snow we have now as we go through the evening drifts up to the north and east, but we have redevelopment, and as we go to bed tonight, we'll have bands of moderate to heavy snow passing through the central Red River Valley from southwest to northeast. That continues as we go towards daybreak, and then the wind really picks up. We're talking 20 to 40 mile per hour winds with gusts a little higher than that at times. Snow ending in the afternoon from west to east, and then the cold enters in. Look at that wind even late at night. Still brutal out there, and it could be causing impossible travel conditions for some. There will be some areas with 6 to 12 plus inches of snow throughout the night. Fargo and north, a sharp cutoff down towards closer to 3 inches in Grand Forks. Because Fargo's already at that 4-inch mark, I think we'll exceed that 6. We'll be more in that 6 to 12 inch category as we close out our Thursday. Tomorrow, steady temperatures falling very quickly late, gusty winds, blizzard-like conditions possible. We'll keep our eyes on the weather like this fella here. Donna, thanks for uploading your photo. Planning forecast as we go into Friday. Brutal cold to start, 20 to 30 below across much of the eastern half of North Dakota. Highs below zero as well. Cold again Saturday morning, but then a warming trend. Still watching a chance for snow to begin next week. Over 30 inches has fallen this season here in Fargo. 32.2 is our average for this time of the year. So it's been an average winter. It just doesn't feel like it.
It's been exciting out there.
Yeah, take it slow.
I, for one, don't give a hoot about your
I see what forecast. You did there.
Yeah.
All right, make sure that you have the Valley News Live Storm Team weather app so that you can keep up with the weather anytime, anywhere. You'll get the latest forecasts and conditions so that you can plan your day.